Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create the Wonderland effect on Higgsfield AI. So this particular effect allows you to see reality in different dimensions. So you can see this is really crazy. So all you have to do to get this type of effect is to go to higgsfieldai, select the visual effect, scroll down and choose the Wonderland effect here. You will be brought to a page like this. You can now click on generate. The next step will be for you to upload your picture here. Describe your prompt in this area of prompts here. Now select your model here, choose your duration, choose your resolution, hit generate, and within minutes your video will be rendered in this area. All you have to do is to download it and you have created that particular effect. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day and please subscribe to the channel as we are actively trying to grow, guys.